Welcome to Wattsan Technical. We share only useful and handy videos on our channel. Replacing mirrors on Wattsan CO2 machines. Problem: there is non-erasable dirt, a crack, or other defect on the mirror of the laser machine. The mirror must be replaced. To remove the mirror, 2 holes are provided on the gasket washer on the rear of the mirror holder. Unscrew the gasket washer. Pull out the mirror. Unpack the new mirror. Fit it in the mirror holder. Screw in the gasket washer. Replacing a focusing lens on Wattsan CO2 machines. Move the working head closer to the front edge of the machine. Disconnect the air hose and loosen the nozzle tubing mounts. Then unscrew the nozzle, and there is the lens with a clamping mount and slots on opposite sides. Unscrew the mount with a screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the lens. Carefully remove the lens and O-ring. Put the new lens in the same place, remembering the O-ring and the position of the lens. Important: the lens must lie convex side up, as shown in the diagram. Then secure it with a clamping ring and wipe it with a cotton swab dipped in alcohol. Screw the nozzle into the nozzle tubing, insert it into the mount, and connect the air hose. Start a test cut. We did well. Everything works as it should. Even more useful videos on our channel. Subscribe and press like. See you in the next video.